Hello everyone, welcome to the ninth chapter of WPS Word. In this section, we'll learn the shortcut keys in Word. In the process of using WPS documents, if you master the operation method of shortcut key, you can quickly edit documents and greatly improve efficiency. I will introduce how to use Ctrl plus keys. First, select some words and give it a right click. You will find out some shortcut keys. If you want to cut something, you can press Ctrl and X directly. If you want to copy, press Ctrl and C. If you want to paste, press Ctrl and V. Next, I will teach you how to use some shortcut keys in the documents. If you want to create a new document, you just need to press Ctrl and N. To find or replace something, you can press Ctrl and F or H. And the Find and Replace window will pop up. To add a section, just press Ctrl and Enter, and you will jump to the next page automatically. If you want to print this document, you can press Ctrl and P, and continue the setting. This is the end of this section. Thank you.